you, how's it going? Welcome back. I'm in New Jersey, New York, New Jersey, whatever. And this is just gonna be like, look at my hair. Can we talk? Can we not? Thank you. This is gonna be like a New Jersey, New York City weekend in the life. I flew back in from Arizona, I guess this morning. I landed at like 3 a.m. It's now like 9. I'm up here until about Tuesday, and then I gotta go back to Texas for a little bit. But I have some meetings. I'm going to a soccer game with Celsius tomorrow. Wait, what day is it? Friday? Tomorrow night. It's gonna be a fun-packed, fun-filled weekend. Jillian, my best friend, is supposed to wake up and come with bagels, but she's not responsive, so maybe she died. Anyway, we're gonna go open a bunch of packages that I have because I wasn't here for a few weeks, so let's go get those and then do a little unboxing, and then I still have to unpack, obviously. I did not do that when I got here. Guys, look at all these packages. I have no clue what any of them are, to be completely honest. I have like ideas, but I don't know. There's all the packages. Yeah, so I'm gonna film for a TikTok too, so if it feels like I'm not talking to you, I'm probably not. So just mind your own, okay? Thanks. Put the knife down, dude. Okay, this one's falling at me, so we'll do it. Fragile. Love Fragile. Also, if you see my address on these packages, no you didn't. I'm too lazy to hide it now, so. All right, sending you over our latest and greatest products. Oh wait, this is from my mom for Mother's Day from YSL. Yes, okay. This is going back to Texas. So I'm not opening this one because it's for my mom for Mother's Day. Shout out YSL Beauty, we love you. All right, what's this one? L'Oreal. He's crazy with the knife. What are you? Zara, period. Introducing the new, I don't know how to pronounce that, Eau de Toilette Intense. Zara's unveiling the most wanted Eau de Toilette Intense, a new masculine, fresh, and sensual fragrance. It's seductive. I'm not. Oh, wait, I thought it was a candle. Am I dumb? Wait, okay, packaging. Hold on, you need a close-up of this. How do you, can you guys see? They're so golden for this, but I'm also so dumb for not knowing how to use it, so. Somebody help. Oh, there it is. Packaging, 10 out of 10. Zara. Eau de Toilette. Thanks. Next. Oh, I know what this is. I ordered this. I don't know if I want to tell you this. Made with Love by Tom Daly. I saw somebody wearing one of these, and so I asked them where they got it. Don't even start with the comments. I cut into the package wrong. We're just gonna go from here. It's not the packaging's fault. It's the operator error. Oh, me. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not a fan of that package anyway, the way that it was, but I messed it up. Okay, Natrium, UV Reflect Antioxidant, SPF 50. Thanks, loves. All right, what's in this box? About to find out. I love you, Celsius. Okay, Celsius, they sent me 2 shirts, some shorts. Oh my God, I love you guys. Because I know that these 2 packages are already Celsius. If you thought my caffeine addiction was bad, we got 4 cases, baby. Oh, yes. These are the variety packs. Astro Vibe, Cosmic Vibe, Galaxy Vibe. I've actually never tried these flavors. So, what's this? Raspberry Peach, love. This is, ooh, Sparkling Lemon Lime. That's like Sprite. And then this is Blue Raz Lemonade. Oh my God. Thank you, Celsius. I love you. That's the unboxing. That's it, okay? Slay. Okay, I'm gonna clean up and let you guys not watch that. Jillian's here.
Hi.
She brought me a bagel. I already ate it because I'm a munch. I'm a big back. Anyway, carbs and coffee. Amen. Drinking coffee. Watching the Dance Moms reunion. And we're just vibing, chilling with the day. I cleaned up a little bit, but not a ton. So that's what we're doing. Good morning. It's Saturday morning. I'm going to New York in a few minutes, to be completely honest. I have to take my trash out and I'm going, but I packed. So I'm going into the city this morning. I have a facial and like a thing with Glow Bar that I'm doing. And then from there, I'm gonna go meet a friend for coffee. And then from that coffee, I have another coffee meeting. And then after that meeting, I think I'm gonna try and go check into my hotel and see if I can get an early check-in. And then probably just hang around until, until I meet up with Natalie to then go to the NYC FC game tonight. And then I'm gonna go back to the hotel, see some friends, and then figure it out from there. So yeah, that's kind of the plan. That's kind of what's happening. And then tomorrow is gonna be a chill morning in the city, go for a run, walk, probably get some coffee, and then head out probably pretty early, come back here and get my life back together. I'm gonna video everything for you, try to. We all know how good I am about that. I'm at the train station, I'm about to hop on the train. Your boy didn't check the weather, it's supposed to be like pouring. Look at the sky. Wait for it to load. It's really dark, so I'm gonna throw an umbrella. Luckily, I have an umbrella in my car. I'm gonna throw that in my bag, and then we're gonna get going skedaddling. My hotel, I called them. They said that, oh, you could check in early. I was like, I love you guys. I'll make out with you. So I'm checking in at 10 right after my glow bar appointment, and then I'll go to coffee for the meeting from there. I'm in the city. Just got here not too long ago. Now I'm walking to Glow Bar to go and get my facial, and then we're gonna go check in the hotel after that. It's actually such a nice day outside. It's like 65 degrees. Oh, I miss the city. Anytime I'm not here, I have separation anxiety. So we're back. Okay, I just cleansed my face. Right there, you cleanse, and now I'm waiting for my esthetician to come get me, and then we're gonna go get our facial. I love it. It's so vibey in here. I finished the facial. I'm now in my hotel room before I'm heading out to my meeting. They let me check in early. Love them. I'm staying at the Public Hotel in the Lower East Side. Literally love this hotel. No, this isn't sponsored, but they are my favorite hotel in this area. If you're looking for a nice hotel in Soho area, close to Soho, like downtown. So let me give you a little tour, and then we gotta pack up shop and get out the door because my meeting's in 30 minutes, all right? All right, so here's the front door, and then over here, you have like just storage, and then more storage, tissues, mirror, blow dryer, steamer, and then over here's the sink. So this is like mirror, sink, trash, and just like your counter space. And then over here behind me is the bathroom, toilet, towels, and then shower, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, all the things. Love the modernness of this hotel. And then here is the closet with full-length mirror and safe, fridge, this little art thing that's also a mirror. I love hotels with a lot of mirrors. I can't explain it enough. And then hooks over here for your bags. And then here's the TV with the outlets there. My phone's charging because it's already dead at 11 a.m. And then this is my view, literally none, but whatever. Little nightstand, table, sitting area, meetings, and then another mirror. Because you guys know that I love my mirrors. And that's it, that's the room tour. There you go. Let's go eat. Well, no, let's go meet at a coffee shop and probably eat. I'm walking to Soho now. Wait, I'm so excited to see that. Yay! Okay, let's get ready. Wait, oh my god, I need to charge my phone, but I also need my phone to whatever. So my fit, I'm gonna do these cargo pants with this like cream top, and then I have these Palm Angel shoes that are like gonna match it. Wait, guys, I need to steam my shirt. I didn't even have the steamer on. So while we wait, let me share a controversial opinion. Okay, while I wait for the steamer to warm up, I'm gonna show you my fit for like after going out. I'm gonna wear this Made with Love by Tom Daly shirt, and then these jeans. I don't even know who they're by. Who are you by? Old Navy. Purr. Okay, the steamer's doing its thing. Now we steam. Steaming clothes actually makes me so happy, and I don't know why. Okay, not eating does me wonders. I don't recommend. All right, then these are the shoes that kind of match, so I figured it works. I haven't worn these shoes in like a while. I've only worn them once before, actually. Last time I wore them, they were comfortable on the plane, so figured why not give them a try? I can never figure out shoelaces. This goes here, and he once again slays. Wait, I'm actually so excited to wear this tonight. I'm all ready. Natalie's on her way. Go down, meet her for grab a bite, and then we're gonna head out to City Field not too long from now. Hey vlog, this is Natalie.
It's me, Natalie. You may have seen me before.
Okay, we're gonna go get food and then go to the game later.
Yeah, me, a little spritzy. They're easiest on the stomach. Don't recommend anything more than a spritz.
All right, we'll see you guys.
Here it comes, ladies and gentlemen. Get loud for Cadet Norris.
I have explaining to do. Let's talk about last night before I go out and get coffee. It's now Sunday morning, 7 a.m. I fell asleep at like 3, so I don't know why the fuck I'm up. What happened? Oh, Natalie and I met downstairs at like 3. Told you that, you were there for that. We walked, we went to the game. The game was amazing, so fun. We had so much fun, and we didn't know what to expect from a soccer game. When I tell you soccer fans are amazing and I love them and they're electric, I need to go to more soccer games. Like, I mean it. Like, I need to get into the soccer scene because those people were getting crazy. And then I met an old friend. New York City, I know I look musty, shut up. New York City on Sunday mornings is literally the best feeling in the world. Nobody can convince me otherwise. I would live
I would repeat Sunday mornings in New York City like on an endless cycle until the day I die, because you feel like you're the only one awake because everybody is sloshed out of their minds still in bed, and I'm just out there vibing with like the finance bros and like stuff like that are like up and at 'em, and like the families walking their kids in the stroll. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Okay, wait, you guys. Buddy of mine works at this place called The Well up in Flatiron, and it's like a wellness center. I'm gonna try and go visit him up there and get a little tour of the well. Shut up. So let's do that. Here we go. I gotta go uptown, Flatiron at least. So I'm just gonna hop on a city bike and bike my way up there, because me walking, city bike, here we come. There they are. Okay, I'll see you when I get up there because I'm not videoing while I ride. All right, guys. Now it's been fun and games. I went to there's a Whole Foods right here. I walked up to Flatiron. I'm down in the Lower East Side, like edge of Soho right now is where I'm staying. But let me tell you, like I probably walked 2 miles this morning already, which is like, okay, period. And I didn't get food or coffee or bagel on my walk, which is really surprising for me. But I just walked, I just enjoyed it. And then I stopped at the Whole Foods that's literally connected to this building and got a cold brew. This Slingshot coffee, never had it before, but we're gonna try it. And then this Essentia water, because you should hydrate after activities. Ooh, is it nitro? Oh, it is. I actually have a lot of work to do, editing and stuff that I'm behind on because somebody, you know, had a little too much fun yesterday. But other than that, I'm gonna sit here, edit. I gotta be out of this hotel by like noon, relatively soon. I'll probably be out of the city by 1 at the latest. Back to Jersey, get my life together, probably take a nap. I gotta be back in the city tomorrow too. Oh, I can't. I'm actually catching my train. It leaves in like 10 minutes now. I decided like, you know what? We're getting out of Dodge, so that's what I'm doing. And yeah, I'm gonna go to the subway, take the subway up Penn Station, hop on Penn Station. Train leaves at like 11:15, so go from there and then back to Jersey, and then that's the vibe. And then I got stuff to do in Jersey. But I'm gonna grab a bagel on my way up because that just sounds good. And he's got his bag packed in like half a minute. Amazing. Okay, am I fat? Maybe. Did I get Taco Bell? Yes. So I'm gonna read you what I got. I got a Crunchwrap Supreme, no tomatoes, no sour cream, 1 loaded beef nachos, 1 cheesy bean rice burrito, and a cinnamon twist. Oh, the cinnamon twists are the best. Taco Bell cinnamon twists, like, nothing competes with them. My burrito, the nachos, okay, and then my Crunchwrap, which Crunchwrap Supreme, no matter what mood I'm in, I'll eat a Crunchwrap Supreme. But I've never gotten the nachos. You can't even see the food. I feel bad. Maybe here, let me move it. Wait, you can see the food now, right? Kind of? No, you're slanted. You're fine. Wait, okay, that angle works. These nachos, they got beans, cheese, sauce, meat, guac, sour cream. Basically, I'm gonna be on the toilet for like 3 hours later. Which, I feel like eating Taco Bell, it's like you know it's gonna come out like drastically the other end, so it's like it negates itself, so it's like you didn't even eat. Chips are stale, but whatever. Okay, next, I just got this rice and bean burrito. You know, if you know me, you know I love burritos, but I rarely eat burritos, it's weird. Oh, there's no rice, I don't think. Maybe there is. But there's cheese. I didn't know there was like queso in it. Oh, that's amazing. Then last is the Crunchwrap. Dare I say I've been bedridden, whatever you want to say. Okay, wait, I lost my keys. Okay, so we're going to Wawa, and then when I come back, guys, we have to pack because I booked a flight out tomorrow instead of, oh, I have to move a meeting too. I was supposed to have a meeting in the city tomorrow, but I booked a flight instead because I was like, what am I doing here? Yeah, my flight's at 4:50 tomorrow night, not in the morning. I would never make that. So we have to pack, but I might probably just pack tomorrow. And then I'll be in Texas for like 2 weeks. Wait, I kind of look sexy. Hold on. You know I'm sexy. Ugh. Don't call, just text me. Still can't get on my speed. I actually do. Whoa, okay. I live next to an AMC, as you probably all know. It's busy, it's packed, and I feel like I need to treat myself to like a solo date, even though my life is a solo date. Okay, we're here. I don't know what I'm gonna get, but I'm gonna get something. Okay, I got my food, but I was gonna video it, but these people parked right next to me, and I'm not good with that. Give me a second to move. All right, we can eat my Wawa now. Oh, I got mac and cheese, and then I also got an egg white omelet bowl. What is this, guy? Yeah, I'm glad I got the mac and cheese, because that looks putrid, but you know, I'm gonna eat it. This looks diabolically sickening. Wawa mac and cheese is kind of elite, dare I say. Let's go home and get ready for bed and then go lay in bed and watch the Kardashians all night, yeah? Good morning, my loves. Okay, I go to Texas today, as we know, but I was looking around and I was like, Jake, your apartment's actually a mess, so maybe clean it up, you dummy. I've packed a little bit, but not enough to say like, oh, I'm packed or oh, I'm almost packed. So I'm gonna go to a coffee shop and do some work because I have a few hours. My flight's at 4:50. That's basically 5. I basically only need to be there by 3:30. So 3:30 it takes, let's say we'll give an hour for transportation time. 2:30 leave here and it's 9:30. So that's what? My flight is kind of like soon and I haven't really finished packing. So let's do that. Let's get to the airport because we're out of here. Yes, we are. No, we got this. We're fine. It'll all be okay. We'll be happy, we'll be fun, we'll be fresh, we'll be living life, living large, all the things. Actually, I feel a little musty, so I just want to shower, even though I don't have the time for that. So I'm gonna shower. I love Newark because the people that work at the Admirals Club know me because I'm like there way too often. And so I always like saying hi to them and like talking to them. So I get to see them again today. I'm all packed, officially about to walk out the door, catch my Uber to Newark. I will definitely keep you posted on the travel day. You'll see everything, and I'm not sure I'll video much. Like when I travel, you guys know how I am. Like at the plane, at the airport, it'll just be like some montage probably. But as far as like speaking to you, I won't probably talk to you until I'm back in Texas. Because I don't have the energy for the social anxiety-ness to kick in. Anyway, I'm about to head out the door and I will see you guys when I see you. All right, I'm back in Texas. It's a few days later. I realized I never ended that vlog, so I didn't record any traveling, but I made it, of course. Yeah, and that's the end of this vlog. Thank you guys for sticking around. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all the things. Follow me on all my other social medias. A lot of exciting stuff happening in the next few months, and I want you to be there with me for it. So take care, and until next week, I don't know what to say next, but I love you.